Hello and welcome back to All Things Defender. Today I have some window waste seals, they're called. They replace the window seal along the outer there and also on the inner. It's actually down in that crack there. So I'm going to have to take the door panel off again. I took it off the other day. Look at the video up above. Up, probably that side, not sure. I'll stick it up there. Took the door card off to actually mend the window winder, and that's when I found these seals here are really perished. So I shall take these off and replace them. Hopefully very simple. It's just a case of pulling these off. They are wedged on, there we go. Really simple, pull those off. I'll just give that a quick clean up in there and then fit the new one. You can see the other side just in there. So yeah, we do have to take the door card off, I think, just to pull that off. So I shall do that in a moment. Quick clean along the door sill, just a little bit of brake cleaner on it, just to get all the grime off. And then we can push the next one on. Really simple job, really quick and easy, but hopefully it will stop water getting down into the window, or down via the window, down to the bottom of the door, which they're notorious for corroding at the bottom. So anything that helps to stop water getting in, I'm sure is a good job. There you go, very simple job. That's the new one. It is now just a case of pushing this all the way down onto the little lip. I'll probably go and get a little rubber mallet and just tap that all the way down. So there's the outer one fitted, nicely pushed down all the way along. Very nice seal, actually quite difficult to push on, and it was slightly too long, so I had to grind the end off, probably about 1 mil or 2 mil just off the end, because there's a metal channel that pushes over, so you do have to grind the end off to actually make them fit. So there's the door card off. Remember to unwind the window before you do that, otherwise you're gonna have to put the winder back on, which is what I've just had to do to get the window down. And it's this seal here that we're just going to take out. Exactly the same as the other one. Hopefully it will just pop off. Very perished. You can see where the water gets in. It's gone all green, and so yeah, we'll pop that off and stick a new one on. So there's the new one. Obviously the felt on the inside. As the outside one, you can see there, it is about 1-2 mil too long, so you're just gonna have to go and grind the end off that one as well. So I'll be back in a minute and we'll just tap that one on as we did with the outside. So that's now the right length. We'll just tap that down as per the outside, and hopefully it will be nice and sealed. There you go, so just tap the seal down. I'll call that there a day. You don't see me put the door card back on. So thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.